Another great feature of PicoScope 7.2 is the advanced serial filtering now built into the serial protocol decoder. So Trevor's got an I2C signal that he's going to demo this on.
Yeah, that's right. So sifting through hundreds of data packets to find the one that you want can be quite a challenge. So of course we've had serial protocol decoding in PicoScope 7 for a long time. We've got an example here of I2C where, let's just freeze it for a moment, we can see in the graph, we can see the various I2C packets that are shown on there, the packet number, start time, stop time, and address and data and so on. We can see the same data presented below here in a tabular form. And what we can do, I mean, I've got about 15 packets up there, but it could be hundreds or even thousands with the deep memory that's available on many PicoScopes. So if we want to zoom in on data that is of interest, an error for example, what we can do is use the advanced filters to do that. So first of all, if we notice down here we've got some reads and writes, and I may say, well, I'm only interested in the reads. So I'll add a filter that says read write is equal to, there are various operators here, contains, does not contain, equal to is the one that I'll use here, and the equal to will be write. Add that filter, and we're down now to just the writes from the controller to the slave device. Now in this case I've got 5 or 6 packets that have come down, but it could still be tens or even hundreds of packets. So it then could be that I'm interested in just specific data or the specific index of data. So I'll add another filter, and in this case I'll say that I want it to be on the data content in the packet, and I want to have a look at the index, and I want to look at the first 2 columns of data. So 0 to 1, add the filter, and the filtered data now is just showing me the first 2 columns in that in the data field that was previously captured, so that you can see on that packet there the total data was F3BE in hex, but my filtered data is just indexed to the first 2 columns, so F3. But more usefully, what it's also done is create a second line on the graph display, and it's just showing that filtered data here. So we've got the complete data in the packet at the top, but below it this second filter line is just showing the first 2 columns, or it could be columns 2 and 4, or whatever you like. You can index the specific data in the packet that you're interested in and see if there are any values that are of interest that shouldn't be there, or whatever it is. But you filter in just on the data of interest.
So PicoScope 7 is now available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux users as a free update. And you can download it from our website to take advantage of all these new features. So go to the website below and we'll see you there.